Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.